to my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Even though it does not come in a bag, it comes in a box. So, I mean, there's that. I figured for Tetris month, it would be a good month to try it out. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for long. I mean, it's kind of spendy for what it is, but I mean, maybe I'll stick with it for a few months. Originally, I figured I would just do it one time, and now I'm thinking, I may try it out for a few months, just see. If it feels like a waste of money, then I'll cancel the plus and stick with the regular, but anyway. So, you first open it up, and this one says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I like that. So, in here we've got June 2019, welcome to the block party, hashtag Ipsy block party. Which is like the other one, but this has like a freaking booklet, unlike just the placard that's in the other one. So, your Glam Bag to-do list. 1. Get to know your products. Check out our site and app to learn about your products, including tips on how to use them, beauty inspo, and so much more. 2. Share with us. Creating a date night smoky eye, walking us through your at-home facial, post it and tag us at Ipsy, hashtag Ipsy blog party, so we can see. 3. Review your picks. Tell us what you think and let us know what else you're interested in receiving in your bag every month. And 4. Get even more. We have thousands more products from your favorite brands at ipsy.com/shop. Bonus, you'll get cash back for everything you buy. And then it has all of their social media things at the bottom. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So then... Ooh. Okay. So most of this is just info on the things that are in it. Let's see here. Need even more reasons to love your Glam Bag Plus? Here's just a few. 5 full-size products from your favorite beauty brands every single month. Beauty info, inspo, videos, and more. It's all happening on ipsy.com/glambagplus. Access to Shopper, our online shop where you get cash back on every purchase. I think you already get that, even if you're just a regular Ipsy subscriber, but I don't know. And add-ons, load up on even more faves every second of the month at 9 a.m. Eastern. So, we are just gonna, let's see here. Wait, is that the first one? No, this is the first one. I'll go in the order that they're in the booklet. So this is by Pure, and it's the Big Look Mascara with argan oil, and that is all it says on the actual tube. But it is massive. Honestly, when I first opened the box, I kind of thought this was a lip product for like half a second, but no, this is actually mascara. It is a $21 value, so this mascara alone practically is worth what Glam Bag Plus costs every month. This is a $25 a month subscription, so that, plus my regular one, it's like $35 a month on Ipsy. Getting kind of spendy, but that's okay. Pure products are formulated to live up to their slogan, all of the beauty you love, none of the ingredients you don't. They're all full of skin-loving ingredients like pure shea butter, vitamins, and antioxidants. This mascara is infused with argan oil to condition and give your lashes a glossy patent leather finish. Ooh, it's gonna be shiny. The molded wand evenly coats every last lash, including the inner corner ones. Love a dramatic lash look? This formula is buildable, so you can pile on as many coats as you want without it clumping. Highly doubt that, but we'll see when I review it. Tip for extra fanned out lashes, apply a coat of this mascara, then use the tip of the wand to lift your lashes up and out. Again, I already freaking knew that, but apparently some people don't. That just seems like common logic to me. Let's see how they shaped this wand. As they say, it's molded. Come on. Oh, okay. So that just looks like every mascara wand on the planet, and it's very globby. I have my doubts, not gonna lie. It just looks like a regular mascara wand with a bunch of globby mascara on it. So, review forthcoming. Secondly, the most expensive thing in this box, which I honestly did not realize was a big deal when I first got it till I was reading the subreddit for Ipsy and saw how many people freaking out over people who got the Sunday Riley moisturizing cream. And I was one of them, because originally I was thinking, oh, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box is kind of boring, save for a couple things. But the more I read about it, the more excited I got about it, and I've actually dipped into this a few times already, and I actually really, really like this. So this is by Sunday Riley, which I had never heard of before. CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This stuff is worth $65 freaking dollars. Let that sink in, this one little thing. Way more spendy than I would ever personally go out of my way to spend on a moisturizer, but if they're gonna give it to me in Ipsy, I will happily accept it and use it, guys. So, I do notice they show it with a little spoon that it did not come with. I don't know if it was supposed to come with one and I didn't get one or what the deal is, but they do show it with one. So, with a commitment to clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. This moisturizer is infused with ultra-potent vitamin C, yeah, it smells like oranges, straight up, to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. Tip, massaging to clean skin AM and or PM. I've been meaning to do the AM and PM thing, but I've only really been remembering to do it in the mornings, but I notice my skin does feel really, really soft after using this, so definitely highly recommend. And again, review forthcoming. All the things get reviews on there, and you know the drill on this channel. Next thing, I may be the most excited about this out of anything out of the whole box. This is by Trestique. It is matte color and shiny balm lip crayon in Belize, Bordeaux, and Grenache balm. It's $25 value. Matte color and a shiny lip balm crayon. So, it's got basically 3 pieces to it, so like essentially 3 freaking products. Let's see here. Fall in love with this new matte lip color in BB Balm. BB Balm is infused with cocoa butter, Monjoy Tahiti butter, peach oil, and olive fruit oil. To use, glide the matte crayon onto lips to define and fill in. Layer color for a bolder pout for a shiny finish, or to add a surge of moisture, layer the matching BB Balm on top or under lip or matte lip color. So let's take it out and look at it, guys. And actually, let me read first what's on here. Trestique knows you're busy. That's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte and opaque to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end, a shade we're coveting for our next date night, and a moisturizing balm on the other. Wear them alone, pair together, or with your other favorite lip products, your call. Tip, outline your lips using the tip of the matte lip crayon. Fill in your lips with the side of the crayon and blot. To take your lip look from matte to shiny, add a swipe of the balm on top, or wear the balm alone for a sheer wash of shiny color. Let's take, oh, thank God that is just the lid. I was like, is this just like freaking open? No, that is just what it looks like on the outside. But it basically tells you exactly what it is. But being this kind of a size, I'm not sure how you are meant to sharpen this puppy. So let's careful. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, fancy, fancy. Oh my God, it's like really strongly magnetic, guys. Like I oh gosh, okay. Does this, oh, okay, we don't have to sharpen it, it just twists. Okay, that's all right. So that's the crayon. Then there's a balm. Oh, it's so cute. A little look at it. Oh, it's a little baby. Okay, so that's 2. Where's the third? There's supposed to be a third in here somewhere. Oh, wait, no, there's no. I see what I'm looking at on the box. I was looking at the lid and thought it was a third piece. I'm stupid. Okay. That's okay. I mean, that's nothing new in my world that I'm dumb. But, yeah, that actually looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun to play with, and I cannot wait to use that one. Let's flip this over. Next, we've already seen this from the Tetris box, and this is the Game On palette. We've already gone over this, but Goodness, goodness, goodness. Apparently it's a $24 value on its own, so, I mean, just the eyeshadow palettes alone in the box set are worth the cost of admission for the entire set. Too bad that it turns out that the blue shades contain ferrocyanide in them, and I'm like, I am not comfortable putting anything on my face that has frickin' cyanide in it. Just saying. Just saying. Does it show it on here? Of course not. That'd be too easy. It's not on here. Nope, it's only on the actual freaking box. But anyway. It's this set, okay? So that is the colors in this one. Game Changer, Game Day, Game Night, Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. Again, we have seen these. This is not new to us. We have talked about it on this channel already. But let's talk about it anyway, or at least read what they have to say about it. We partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. Tip: for a subtle look, use fluffy shadow brush to stack it up across your entire lid. That's like the peachy one. Using a crease brush, blend Block Party from your lash line to the crease. That's like the glittery gold. Apply Game Day to the center of your lid. For a metallic smoky look, blend Game Changer and Game Night and sweep across the entire lid from your lash line to the crease. Then use a damp angled liner brush to line upper and lower lash lines with Game Over. Jesus, that just scared the hell out of me. That was the air conditioner coming on and shutting the door the rest of the way. Made me jump a mile. Okay, so last product in the box. I've actually not gotten a chance to open this yet. This is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I have been warned by people on Reddit that it smells like patchouli and it feels like getting punched in the face by a hippie when you smell it, so I'm both terrified and excited to see what this smells like. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions and lightly pat your skin dry. Well, let us see how it smells. Oh, it's got little koala bears inside that box. How cute. Like the koalas. Okay. So, okay. So, it feels like it's made of terracotta. And I just, goosebumps. I cannot, do not like the texture of that. Come on, bastard. Come on up. It's a little pull tab thing. Come on. You son of a bitch. Okay. Here we go. Whew. Oh, okay. Oh, holy shit. Okay, people were not exaggerating that. Holy hell. Alright. Let's not put my nose quite so far into it this time. This is what it looks like, by the way. It is very clay, mud looking. Ooh, that is strong. That is all I can say for it for now. I'm not ready to go there yet and try wearing that at this point in time. Another day, but today is not that day. Oh my lord. Just, I still have goosebumps all over my arm just from the terracotta feel. I cannot deal. So let's read what it says about it. First off, it's worth 39 bucks. So, by combining by combining purifying clay with Australian botanical ingredients, this brand creates products that leave your skin feeling and looking clean and healthy. This mask is loaded with good-for-you ingredients like desert lime to hydrate and help stimulate collagen growth, and deep cleaning bentonite clay. Aloe vera soothes, while Davidson plum, a superfruit that acts as a natural alpha hydroxy acid, brightens and rejuvenates your skin. Tip: apply a thin and even layer of this mask to dry skin. Wait 10 minutes or until it begins to tighten but still feels slightly wet. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Again, it smells very, very strongly, and I cannot with it right now. I will try it another day. Today is not that day. I don't know when I'm gonna feel brave enough to do it, but that is beyond strong. I'm sure it's going to work very well when I do get to using it, but imagining 10 minutes of that sucker on my face, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. But this one though, this one's real good. Like, just straight up is really, really good. Very excited for that. Very excited for that. So at least even if just for those 3 things, this box does feel worth it to me. Even if the other 2 should end up being a bust, that's alright. So anyways, that's what I got in my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. If you guys would like to become an Ipsy member too, I'm going to include my referral code down below in the description box, as I always do on my Ipsy videos. It does help me out a little bit anyway. But anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below about anything at all, products in this, just anything about anything, leave them. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.